If you give me 30 seconds, I'll show you exactly how other marketing agencies have been screwing over your business and how you have huge potential to actually grow your company when set up the right way.
Welcome to Kaizen Marketing Agency, your trusted partner in digital marketing solutions.
How you doing? My name is Kyle Berry. I'm the owner of Kaizen Marketing Agency, and I have developed a system specifically for small to medium-sized businesses so that they're not getting screwed by marketing agencies, so that they can compound on the success of their advertising and they can own their data, their success, their ad accounts, and their tracking at a significantly lower cost than you're seeing across the market. Now, I know what you're thinking. It might sound too good to be true, but at the end of the day, businesses out there to make a profit, and there's businesses out there to help the world. We're out there to design a system that you can own, you can compound, and you can really lean into to grow your business. If that's a restaurant, a lead generation business, home improvement business, medical facility, whatever it might be, the same bells and whistles that the top enterprise businesses are using are available to you. But unfortunately, you're getting sold as a lead generation process or sold of, I'm just going to get you traffic, but you don't own the landing pages. You don't own the traffic. You don't own the consumer as they come through. You just get handed the lead and hope and pray that you can close it. And then it's a quality lead at that. But what if you had the capability of owning that system? What if you had the capability of leveraging a system that was in your back pocket to optimize the way your business is represented every day, every week, and it's ingrained into your company? The way that we do business different is that we come in as internal employees to your company. We set up the tracking. We optimize your landing pages. We develop the creative all for you internal to your company, and you own it 100%. In 90 days, we won't just set up your tracking and your ad accounts and your creative. We're going to set up a system that will give you clear answer at what your cost per new customer acquisition is. How scalable is your online advertising? How good is your current offer? How strong is your current website? Click this link below if you're looking for a free audit and game plan. That's right. We're going to give all of this, but we're going to start off with auditing your business to show you we know what we're talking about. It's going to take 5 minutes to go through, audit your company, let you know your page speed, how your social media is doing, how your website's doing, and how you rank against your competitors. And then the next 10 minutes is all going to be a game plan. We're going to hand it to you for free. We're going to show you exactly what you need to do to be successful. And at the end of the day, if you love it, you understand it, you want to do it yourself, go ahead and run with it. You don't want to deal with the headache, that's when you hire us.